I'm very happy for this purchase. It's $79. Meron na po siyang mga fruits. Hi guys! Good morning! Ayan, finally, today, itatanim na natin dear ang nabili natin na kalamansi. Ayan. O, diba? I'm very happy for this purchase. Binili namin ito kahapon sa Lowe's, guys. Tignan ninyo, meron lang akong i-explain ha, dear. Look at the price. Ayan, oh. It's $79. For sure, marami sa inyo ang nashock. Pero, nung chinek ko yung resibo pala, guys, nakalagay dito, dear, 6.08 gallon, $45 lang siya. Parang naka 40% discount po siya, guys. So, I'm very happy na nagkaroon tayo ng discount dito. Pero medyo mahal pa rin siya, dear, no? It sounds expensive pa din.
Yes.
Pero when I check online, guys, it's like na-start din siya sa $40 to $80 ang isang puno. Actually, dear, it's a good deal because this kind of fruit, palamunding tree,
it's a
actually,
citrus tree.
It can fruit all year round.
With a guarantee.
Also, I just learned na pwede mo pala itong ibalik, dear. You can return this one up to 1 year kapag hindi siya mabuhi. So, I think it's a good deal, guys. And I think, guys, mahal siya, dear, because as you can see, meron na po siyang mga fruits. Ayan, oh. Sobrang dami na. Ayan, ang dami ng bunga. May mga maliliit na. Loaded siya talaga, dear. So, I think it's a good deal. It's worth the price. It's worth the money. Natutuwa ako. This is our biggest purchase. Alam mo bang maraming benefits dito, dear? Kung mayroon kang ubo, kung mayroon kang sore throat, you can make juice out of it. This is anti-inflammatory, antioxidant. And also, you're a chef. If you're cooking pork, you can marinate you a nice flavor. So guys, I'm very happy for this purchase. Ngayon, itatanim na natin siya, darling. Dito natin siya itatanim, dear. Yan, dito natin siya itatanim.
We're gonna plant it now.
We're gonna plant it now.
Make sure you don't hit any pipes.
Dahan-dahan lang ako, guys, kasi may mga pipe dito. Ayaw nating matamaan natin yung pipe kasi it's going to be another problem. Alam nyo ba, guys, kapag bumili kayo ng kalamansi dito sa Amerika, nagkakahalaga yung isang pound ng $5 to $6. So imagine, kapag mayroon kang sariling kalamansi sa iyong paligid, malaking tipid talaga. I'm so excited, guys. Gagawa ako mamaya ng kalamansi juice dahil medyo nagkarat-karat ang aking tutunlan. Kasi it's a good source of vitamin C also. Ayan. Alam nyo, 4 years na ako dito sa Amerika. Ngayon pa lang ako magkakaroon ng kalamansi. Sa totoo lang, natatakot kasi kami magtanim nito, guys, dito sa aming bakuran. Kasi it's a member of citrus family. Nakailang citrus na kami. Lemon, ano pa ba? Sunkist, mga ganyan. Tinanim namin dito sa bakuran namin, guys. Walang ni isang nakasurvive. Kaya natatakot ako na baka pagtanim natin ito after a week or 2 is dili siya makasurvive. But I'm praying. Bumili kami actually ng lupa kahapon kasi ang gagawin namin, bago natin yan itanim dito, lalagyan natin siya ng lupa, yung nabili natin sa Lowe's. Kapag hukay na tayo, guys, medyo malalim yung ginawa naming hukay dahil lalagyan po natin siya. First na gagawin natin, lalagyan natin itong lupa na gawin. Ayan, darling.
All more.
Ayan. Ayan. So, ipapatag lang natin siya. Once you take out this calamansi from the pot, it will not be happy. So, baka ma-shock siya. Baka hindi siya makasurvive. So, ang gagawin natin, i-keep pa rin natin yung lupa na comes with it. Lord, please, hopefully this will survive because it's really useful sa kusina namin ni John. Of course, bilang tayong Pilipino, ano tayo dito ito yung ating staple food natin tong mga Pilipino, from sausawan to juice, i-marinate, seasoning. There's a lot of things we can do with calamansi. So hopefully, I'm praying na makasurvive talaga siya.
Put it in the hole.
Ayan, ito na guys. Yay! Ayan, the soil is still intact guys. That's a good thing darling, no? Akala ko kasi mabungkag siya, buti na lang intact pa rin yung kanyang soil. Guys, it's 7 o'clock and we're already sweating. Ganito kainit dito sa Florida. It's already like 75 to 80 na degrees Fahrenheit. So nasa 30 degrees Celsius na yan sa Pilipinas. And it's starting to get very hot na. So this needs lots of sunlight, sabi ni John. Itong figs tree ay puputulin natin ito. Hi guys! Update ulit tayo dito sa ating papaya na tinanim ni John noong nakaraan. Ganito na po siya. It's been 3 days darling, or 4 days.
I think 3.
I think it's too early, no, to say that they survive already.
They look pretty good though.
Ayan.
They're not wilting on top.
So hoping na okay itong tatlong papaya guys.
They get water every day.
Aha, kasi may sprinkler dito oh. So in 6 to 9 months, magkakaroon tayo ng maraming papaya. So hindi lang ito actually, tatlo. Mayroon din tayo doon sa kabila. Let's go to the other side, darling. Ayan. Mayroon tayong 4 dito. Ayan, they look pretty good also, dear, no? Ayan, they look happy, guys. I'm very happy also that they look happy. In 6 to 9 months, mayroon na tayong 7 na papaya kung makasurvive sila. Guys, we have extra papaya here. Ayan, if you're interested, there's no space na kasi dear, no, to plant this one. You might think, anong there's no space? There's a lot of space you can put. No, this requires a lot of water every day and sunlight. So wala na kasi kaming sprinkler. If we put another sprinkler, the pressure of the water will be lower.
You have to look, you put it there. When you cut the coconut tree palm from and or coconuts, you're gonna kill the papaya.
Yes, so there's a lot of factors kung bakit hindi na natin pwedeng itanim ito. Ay, ang squirrel, oh. There's squirrel. Ay, that's why. Look at that, oh. Sila pala ang may salary nito, dear. I heard some squirrel running in there. Sila pala ang salarin. Bakit maraming mga avocado na nahuhulog? Kasi sabi ko, ano kaya ang kumakain nito? Ibon ba? It doesn't look like a bird.
Yeah, just cut off the bad part. We can eat the rest.
Ah, pwede. As I was saying earlier, if you're from Florida, if you live nearby, I mean if you live nearby Lake Worth, if you're around the area, paano ba i-English? Please understand na lang my English ha, kayo na bahala. If you live nearby, I will be giving away 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 papayas. 10 papaya trees. Ayan. So, sa totoo lang guys, no, mahal ang papaya dito sa Amerika. Kasi nakita nyo naman kahapon, di ba? Pumunta kami sa isang store.
Papaya is $50.
$50 ang papaya. Nagkakahalaga ito ng $50. Of course, the vacuum is very loud while I'm talking. So finally, nag-dry na dear itong ating stick broom. Luyat maguna siya dear if it's young. Luyat siya if it's young ba. So I'm gonna use this string.
How long did it take you to make that?
I think it's like more than 2 hours. Ayan, so itatali lang natin siya.
The 2 hours of labor, what's it worth?
From $5 up to $30. Some of them are 3 pieces, 4 pieces, but most of them $10 to $40. Yeah, but in the Philippines, I don't know. Comment in the comment section, guys. I will try this one first, guys. If it's good quality, then I'm gonna sell this to you. In the US kasi, guys, they usually use rake right there.
Yes.
Iba talaga, guys, kapag ang ginagamit natin na panlinis is yung nakasanayan natin. Kasi mas komportable tayo, mas madali, 'di ba? Depende naman yan eh. It's your own choice, it's your own preference. Ako nakasanayan ko ang walis, so walis ang gagamitin ko, o 'di ba? Okay, do you want to try? Ipatry natin kay Jan, guys, kung marunong ba siya magwalis. Marunong ka ba magwalis, darling? Kasi you used to use rake eh. And let me know, dear, how do you like it? Or do you want to use the rake? Which one is easier?
This works good.
Yeah, depende naman kasi yan, dear eh. I think if you're using it every day, you're gonna get used to it.
Yeah, you see the family do this all the time.
Mm-hmm.
Every morning on the driveway,
Yes.
in front of the house.
How do you like the quality? Is it worth $5 to sell?
Sure.
Oh, okay.
You put 2 hours into it, it's worth more than 5.
Exactly. Actually, guys, hindi naman, it's not the price dear, no? It's the effort.
Right.
How you did it, right? You took some time, and then sa pagkuha pa doon, sa mga palwa, there's lots of factor.
Can you cut the palm trees and leave them and then go back and take the middle out? Or is it always better when they're green?
Actually, it's better when they're dry. That's what they suggest.
Okay.
Because, did you already throw all the coconut leaves?
Yeah.
Hala, tinapon mo pala.
Out on the street now.
I told you not to throw. Is it already dry or no? It's still green.
Just starting to dry.
Starting to dry?
It's only been a few days.
Mm.
It's only been a few days. There's hundreds.
Yeah, we have 10 coconut trees. So sabi ni John, it's good quality daw. We can sell it for $5. So excited na ako. Pero guys, siguro kung mag-order kayo, give me like 2 weeks to a month siguro para ma-accommodate ko ang mga orders ninyo. Kasi for sure, madaming magma-message na naman sa akin. Sobrang dami pa rin, guys. Ayan oh. Ayan ang mga palwa natin. So, I think makakagawa ako. I will start with 10 pieces, darling. No?
Okay.
I'll start with 10 pieces. Would you help me?
I'll cut the limbs down.
Yun lang yung ano ni John, maitutulong sa akin. Pero ako talaga ang magbagos. Alright guys, tapusin lang namin ang paglilinis dito sa yard natin. Maganda kasi tignan guys ang paligid. Ay! Helicopter! Maganda kasi tignan ang paligid guys kapag malinis.
Yeah, because it looks nice. Looks nice when it's cleaned up.
Nag-e-enjoy na talaga si John guys, kaya hayaan ko na lang siya.
Without ripping the grass. The rake rips the grass apart.
Nagustuhan ni John guys ang walis tingting. Ayan, sa mga mag-order, message nyo lang ako guys, and I will try to accommodate all of you. Start lang muna tayo sa 10 kasi for sure mahihirapan ako nito kasi ako lang naman ang mag-isa dito guys. So give me like 2 weeks to a month. Pero saan natin ilalagay? Where are we gonna put it? In a bigger box? If we send it to our kababayan in here in the US.
I don't know. I don't know how much shipping would be.
Oo, baka mahal ang shipping guys, no? Pero okay lang yung shipping guys, wag yun nang isipin yun. Ang importante, magkaroon kayo ng silhig. Hey guys! Ayan, nandito tayo ngayon sa front yard namin. Ito yung next natin na aayusin. Itong part kasi dito, ito yung ating i-cultivate. Oh, another problem right away. Dahan-dahan ka talaga dito guys kasi you don't know what's under there. Maraming mga like mga pipe, mga plastic, mga tubo, whatsoever. Gagamitan lang natin siya ng rototiller. Ayan, from here down to here. Alagyan po natin siya ng tinatawag na mulch. Ito po, pine bark nuggets. That way, it will keep the weeds from growing. May flower bed tayo dito. And as you can see, napabayaan na po siya. So, syempre, kailangan ko ring matutunan ang ganitong bagay, guys.
You press that one. And while that one's in, you press the button, this one.
Ang nagiging struggle lang ni Jan sa rototiller guys is mayroon siyang ayan, mai-encounter na mga ganyan, mga ugat ng mga puno, mga plastic, mga pipe, kaya extra careful talaga. Ayan.
Yeah, all the stuff I left in the ground over the years.
Unahin na muna natin ito ang paglagay ng mulch dito, and then next time naman dito sa flower bed natin ayusin natin ito. May mga a little bit of flowers pa na natira. Actually, that's from last year pa eh. Pero papalitan natin ito. Suggest kayo kung ano yung magandang bulaklak na nabubuhay kahit na with a little bit of sunlight lang. Kasi wala kasi masyadong sunlight dito eh. There's not much sunlight in here.
No, not too much.
We need to find flowers that can survive even with a little sunlight. Low sunlight. So yan yung gagawin natin dito, but that's going to be next time para may abangan naman kayo guys. Linisin lang muna natin tong hallway. Okay, so ang ginagawa ni Jan ngayon ay pinapatag niya muna yung lupa bago natin ilagay yung mulch. Ang benefit ng paggamit ng mulch ay para hindi na tumubo yung mga sagbot. And also, it's also used as a decoration. Ayan, pinapatag lang ni Jan. Sa gitna muna tayo mag-start guys kasi I think kukulangin itong ating mulch. I think we need another 6 or maybe more, maybe 10. I think we need another 10 bags of mulch. Okay pala siya tignan darling. It's good when it's already done. Ilagay na natin yung mulch. Maganda pala talaga siya tignan guys. Ayan oh. Ayan. Unfortunately, hindi nagkasya yung 10 bags natin. So, pupunta ulit tayo sa store. Hi guys. Hindi pa kami naliligo actually. Kita naman sa itsura namin dito. After namin dito, sabi namin, okay, punta na kaagad tayo sa Lowe's. Bili tayo ng another 10 bags of mulch. So, sabi ko, tara na habang nasa mood pa ako.
Finish the project.
Finish the project habang nasa mood.
Forget it.
Hahanap din tayo ng mga flowers dito guys na pwede nating maitanim doon sa garden natin. Tignan natin. Suggest kayo guys ng mga flowers kung ano yung maganda. Yung hindi na kailangan ng sunlight talaga. Oh yeah, this is a good car. Smooth. Ayan. So ito na yung additional 10 na nabili natin. I think 5 lang yung kailangan natin. Ito extra to dear, no? We will keep this for future.
Oh, there's other places to go.
So finally, natapos na natin ang paglalagay ng mulch dito sa front yard natin, guys. So ang next project na naman natin ay magtatanim tayo ng mga bulaklak dyan sa harapan. O, di ba maganda pala siya tignan, guys, kapag natapos mo na. Ayan, medyo nakakapagod lang. O, pero worth it ang pagod natin. Hi dear.
Hi darling.
Ayan. Hi guys, nandito ulit tayo ngayon sa ating bakuran. Katatapos ko lang magmerienda. I just had mushroom soup with skyflakes. Ayan, so ganito po yung ginagawa natin everyday. Dinidiligan po natin sila everyday. So meron tayo ditong a total of 9 coconut trees na binibenta po namin sa kung sino lang ang malapit dito sa amin. At saka alam nyo guys, napakamura na talaga ng halaga ng pagbenta namin dito, kasi makikita mo to online, nasa $50 to $80, minsan $100 pa yung iba. Pero sa amin binibenta lang namin siya ng mga $30, $35, 30, 60, and then 70. Ayan, this one, the biggest is 70. Good deal na talaga yun guys. At saka yung mga mangga natin sa store, makikita nyo ang mga mangga siguro nasa $50, $60, $70, depende siguro sa klase ng mangga. Pero our mango kasi is Florida mango. Ito po yung mga nanurok out of sa mga nahuhulog dito sa mangga natin.
That's mama.
Yes, that's the mama. And then these are the babies. Ayan, so meron tayong 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 pala ito dear. Be? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. 6 nga. Pero pahangyoon pag yun mo guys. Sa 6, kung gusto ninyo kuhaon ni tanan 6, $100 na lang among pangayuunan. O diba? Actually, mayroon din tayong papaya. Mayroon din tayong banana dito guys. 3 na pala yung banana natin dear. Uy, ang sarap magbudbud guys, no? Ayan, may mga dahon tayo dito. Kaya minsan nagmumukbang kami gamit namin yung dahon. Kasi mayroon din kaming puno ng saging dito. O diba? Actually, nag-start lang ito sa 2. Tapos, nisaha siya, nahimo na siyang tulo. Again, sa mga kababayan ko na nandito sa Lake Worth, ano pang hinihintay ninyo? I-message yun na ako. Daanan nyo na lang dito. And kung bibili kayo niyan, may pakapin pag yun na guys na avocado at saka star fruits. Kasi marami pa tayong bunga ng star fruits. At hindi na ako mamimigay ng star fruits guys kasi na-trauma na ako eh. Diyos ko. Nangalata na dahil siya. Pero avocado okay, mamimigay ako ng avocado. Stay tuned lang kayo guys. Pagbalik na lang namin after sa cruise, saka ako magpapadala sa inyo. Hey guys! This afternoon, magha-harvest ulit tayo ng star fruits. And this time, hindi na natin siya ipapaship guys. Ibibigay natin siya sa kung sino man ang dadaan dito sa bahay natin. Maglalagay lang ako dito ng note. Ayan, free star fruits. Actually guys, last time namigay kami pati yung pati yung basket at pati yung table kinuha. Nahuli namin sa CCTV pero wala naman kaming nagawa na guys. Alangan na mag-report mo pa yun. Yun lang ang tutugisin mo. Hopefully no, sana kung sino man ang dadaan dito sa bahay, maging responsible naman sana wag naman sanang kunin lahat. No? Magtira din kayo sa iba. Kuha lang kayo ng 4 or 5 ba kung gusto ninyo. Tapos, Magtira kayo sa iba. Huwag nyo namang kunin lahat. Siguro maglalagay tayo ng, wait lang, 1. Okay. May kasama pa yung kuan ha, paper bag. Kompleto talaga pag si Johannes mamigay. Alam nyo guys, pag nag-share kasi tayo ng blessing sa ating mga kababayan, or kahit hindi natin kababayan, no? Doble or triple ang babalik sa'yo. Kaya yun ang ginagawa namin ni John. So tara na! Free star fruits. Sobrang dami na. Alam nyo guys, hindi pa namin tapos ma-harvest ito. Marami, nagpa-flowers na naman siya. Ayan, oh.
The ladder's over here for you.
Yeah, whatever I can get from here. Ayan po, dami dito sa baba, dear, oh.
Those are the easy ones, though.
The easy ones.
Here. Let's get the ones higher up.
Daming bungi.
And straight above your head.
Ayan, kasi baka maano ba? Baka malamog. Yes, aakyatin ko na lang sa puno. Tomorrow naman. Yung iba, ubusin na natin yan bukas. Why? Because we're leaving na kasi guys on Saturday. So, as much as possible, kunin natin lahat ng mga yellow. Or as much as possible, linisin natin ang buong tree. Abangan nyo yan bukas guys. Haharosin na natin ito lahat bukas. Kasi ipamigay na natin sila. For sure, sako-sako ito. Kasi from doon sa taas, pababa dito, hanggang dito, haharusin na natin. Or I will call my Ate Lucy, yung kaibigan kong Pinay dito, para papuntahin ko na lang sila dito para mag-harvest na. I will call Ate Lucy na lang, dear, no? No? Tama. I will call Ate Lucy na lang, my friend, to come here para mag-harvest sila dito. Okay, ayan. So, ito na yung star fruits natin. Ayan, free star fruits. So kung sino man ang makakadaan dito sa bahay namin, that's all for you. Free lang yan guys. Ano? Hala ka. Uy, ang mga avocado din pala dito. Oh. Hala, I'm excited for this one. Ready to harvest na. Konti lang yung avocado dito sa harapan. Pero grabe. Sobrang laki talaga. Parang papaya siya kalaki, guys. Yan yung next nyo naman na aabangan sa susunod na vlogs natin. And tomorrow, abangan ninyo. Ayan, lahat yan. Ha-harvestin natin yan. Lahat. Tomorrow. Papupuntahin ko dito yung Ate Lucy ko. Kababayan natin dito, guys. Kaibigan ko dito sa US. Papuntahin natin dito para ubusin na nila yan. So, pamigay na natin yan lahat.